In today's video, I'm going to teach you GuideWithBooking.com and Bing Maps. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move from a simple web search to a confirmed hotel reservation with confidence. First, start from a Bing results page and click the official Booking.com link. Make sure you're on the legitimate site by checking the URL and looking for the Secure Connection indicator in your browser. If any promotional pop-ups appear, close them so you can focus on the main search form. Next, choose the destination you want. In the search box, type the city or area you're visiting, then set your check-in and check-out dates and how many people are traveling. When the suggested destination appears, click it to load the results. This page can feel busy, so take a moment to scan the filters for price range, star rating, guest score, and amenities that matter to you. Use the map view to verify where each property sits relative to landmarks and transit. If you want a larger view of the neighborhood or to estimate travel times, open Bing Maps in another tab and compare locations before you decide. Once you've found a place you like, open its page and select how many rooms you need. Make sure the room type matches your party. Check the maximum occupancy, bed configuration, whether breakfast is included, and any child or extra bed policies. You'll see the total update as you adjust rooms and guests. When you're satisfied, click I'll reserve. This usually holds the room while you complete the form. Before moving on, glance at the cancellation policy, whether payment is due now or at the property, and any deposit or pre-authorization notes. If free cancellation is important to you, confirm the deadline. Now enter your details. Fill in the primary guest's name exactly as it appears on an ID, add a reliable email so you receive confirmations, and provide a phone number for time-sensitive updates. Share your expected arrival time if you have one, and add special requests such as a quiet room or accessibility needs. The clearer your information, the smoother check-in will be. Finally, review your final details and proceed. Confirm the dates, room type, number of guests, policies, and the full price including taxes and fees. Check the currency and any extra charges like resort or service fees. If a payment method is required, enter it securely and submit. Wait for the confirmation page and save or screenshot the reservation number, then watch for the email that follows. That's it. Simple, clear, and ready for your trip.